How are you, YouTube? George here. This is just a quick little video for you. Have this impact driver here, got a little Aldi or one of them, can't remember which one now, but it stopped working on me and I was just about to throw it out and I said no, I'll open it up and have a look at what's going on. Can you spot the issue? So we're gonna put a bit of wire onto it here and see can we save it. I actually have a second one of these, but I wouldn't mind having it back working again. So that's what we're gonna. I'll tell you the story what happened to this. I only had it about 3 or 4 days, and I was upstairs painting a room, and Adam, my son, was helping me, and I had this left sitting on the windowsill, and the next thing, it swan dived off the first floor onto the concrete outside. So it must have cut that wire and or damaged it or something, and it finally had enough and broke. So we're going to stick in a bit of wire here. I'm not bothered going to go back to the switch or anything. I'm just going to splice into it, and we'll see how we get on. So we'll be right back. Well, that's a result. So half an hour of my time, maybe a bit longer, because the hammer mechanism, I let it fall on the floor and I lost one of the pins out one of the planetary gears, so I had to make a new one on the lathe. So but she's back in business. Oops, easy. Happy days. I'm better than throwing it in the bin and going off and buying a new one. So it just goes to show you that a lot of the time it's only something very simple that's wrong. And I'd say there's two screws at the back of where the planetary gearbox mates onto the motor, and there's 2 screws that links that to like a plastic cup, and the screws had come out. So I put them back in with some thread locker on them and put it all back together. Happy days. I would have done a video of me inside it in the middle of it, but you know, if you want to watch stuff like that, go and watch AVE. He does this kind of shit the whole time. So happy days. I'm delighted with that now, because it was just gone out of warranty as well. So result.